petits amis. Aujourd'hui, c'est la lettre T et J. T, facile. Grande ligne, petite ligne. Grande ligne et petite ligne. OK? Zip, 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 zip. Et les T, super important to really keep that steady hand. And how many times do you get to go down? Once. No, going up and down. Okay? T. Il touche. Wait. They have to touch. But remember, it's not a lowercase t, so I don't want to see it down here. C'est un O, il touche. So you got to go through the top one. T majuscule. Not magic school. Majuscule, mes amis. T. Une tente. A tent. And aussi une tente, we hear the same sound for aunt, right? When you say it's my aunt, we know that in our song. Ma tante n'est pas là, elle chante à l'opéra. T et un autre T, moi-même. Ta-da! Ta-da! Vincent, that was for you. Okay. Et maintenant, J. Trying to get it straight. Okay. Mais, notice that we're not using those little wood sticks here because we have a curve. Okay, une ligne courbée. Now, c'est comme T, but just before you think that you need to go all the way to the ground, we're going to kind of swoop, touch the ground on the other side, and make a hook coming up. Okay? Et ça, c'est pour Mademoiselle Jory. Wait, I did that just as I planned. Okay, so just we're coming down, and just as you might want, we're gonna go that way and up this way. Okay, we don't need to go all the way up, just right there. Okay. Et un autre, go, 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 and then I'm just gonna go this way. Bravo. Un journal, newspaper. Jory. Bravo, mes amis. Très bien. Good job being nice and steady. Loving the pictures that I'm seeing of your work. Okay. Et c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Peut-être tu veux jouer un jeu avec moi? Would you like to play a game? All right. You tell me what these sounds are. Ooh. C'est quel son? Oui. C'est quel son? Oui. C'est quel son? Oui. C'est froid. Froid. Manger. La langue. C'est quel son? Ça c'est voiture. Non. Il dit non, pas le feu. C'est quel son ça? Oh, 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 oh. Océan. Il pue. Et ça, c'est acrobate. Ah. Et souris.